Berkshire Hathaway a titan of industry, a testament to the power of smart investment and enduring value. Under the astute leadership of Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway has meticulously curated a collection of companies that touch nearly every aspect of modern life. At its foundation lies the bedrock of insurance, with entities like GEICO and National Indemnity providing stable, recurring revenue streams that fuel further growth and acquisition. Beyond financial services, Berkshire Hathaway is a critical player in infrastructure and transportation. BNSF Railway, a logistical giant, ensures the seamless movement of goods across North America, while Berkshire Hathaway Energy powers homes and industries with a blend of traditional and renewable resources. The consumer landscape is equally dominated by Berkshire's brands, from the everyday refreshment of Coca-Cola to the comforting treats of Dairy Queen, and the essential power of Duracell. These products are ingrained in the daily lives of millions. The conglomerate also boasts a significant presence in manufacturing and industrial sectors. Companies like Clayton Homes provide affordable housing solutions, while Precision Cast Parts delivers critical components for aerospace and other high-tech industries. This diversified empire, built on a philosophy of long-term value and a deep understanding of business fundamentals, continues to demonstrate the enduring power of thoughtful capital allocation and a commitment to excellence.